Today we're going to take a look at Splash, a new Sui ecosystem fair launch platform that just went live about an hour ago. We'll see what makes Splash unique from other fair launch platforms within the Sui ecosystem, such as Moonbags, Turbo's Fun, 7K Fun, and others. And then we'll go ahead and test it out by connecting our Slush wallet and making some trades. But before I get started, please note nothing I say is financial advice. It's for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. Splash, the first fair launch platform on Sui, instant launches, community first, builder grade, powered by HIPPO. So that's interesting. HIPPO is one of the top meme coins in the Sui ecosystem. It's been around since last October. It reached a market cap all-time high of around 270 million. Take a look at the HIPPO X profile. The drippiest HIPPO on crypto Twitter, first mover of Sui HIPPO that hops. You can see that they reposted about an hour ago when Splash launched. So it looks like HIPPO is a big part of the new Splash fair launch platform. Introducing Splash. Launch tokens on Sui instantly, fairly, built for builders, degens, and everyone in between. Let's dive in. So you might remember us as hiphop.fun. They've rebranded to Splash, and it says Splash is the first truly fair launch platform on Sui, crafted by builders for builders. There are other fair launch platforms on Sui that we've covered, such as Moonbags, which launched a few weeks ago. Turbo's Fun launched, I believe, back in 2024. Move Pump, 7K Fun, and others. So there are others, but they're saying that Splash is the first truly fair launch platform on Sui, crafted by builders for builders, powered by HIPPO. What's coming soon? 1 million HIPPO airdrop, multiple launch formats, safe mode, transparency tools, launch analytics. Hip hop was the spark, Splash is the full wave. No seed liquidity, no gatekeepers, only Splash. So let's take a closer look at it. Launch a Sui token now with just a few clicks. Let's take a look at how it works. What is Splash? Splash is the ultimate gateway to the Sui ecosystem for all builders. It's a platform where you can discover, trade, and launch a token with a fair launch mechanism, ensuring transparency and equal opportunity for all participants. Bonding curve graduation. Once the bonding curve attracts 10,000 Sui, the token's liquidity is automatically migrated to Cetus, which is the top DEX on Sui. And then long-term liquidity. The initial liquidity position is burned upon migration to ensure long-term value for traders. Token creation fee is 1 Sui. Trade commission 1%. Diving into it a little deeper, I asked Grok to tell me about Splash. 50% of Splash platform revenue is allocated to buying back and burning HIPPO tokens. So again, this is HIPPO. Here's the chart for HIPPO. HIPPO tokens powers the platform, aiming to enhance token value over time. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. Let's connect our wallet. We'll go with that. We'll say continue, and you can see a bunch of different wallet choices that you can connect with. OKX, Phantom. We'll go ahead and connect with Slush, and I'll say connect, approve. So our Slush wallet is connected. Let's take a look. Let's see if anything has graduated the bonding curve yet. And it looks like this one, Splashy, has graduated from the bonding curve and would be trading on Cetus. These are all newly launched tokens still on the bonding curve. Let's take a look at launch a token. So launch your own token now. You give it a name, a ticker symbol, upload your image, give it a description. You can link to your website, your X account, Discord, and Telegram. The deployment fee is 1 Sui. Pretty easy to launch a token. Taking a look at Splash rankings, the launching soon section, these are all still on the bonding curve, and this percentage shows you how close they are to graduating. Market cap rankings, this is the first one that graduated. Splashy, 264K, Sui 198. Then you're going to see 24-hour price increase and 24-hour trading volume in Sui. So pretty straightforward. When progress reaches 100%, the token deploys on Cetus. Let's say listed on Cetus. Let's go ahead and click into Splashy. Token is migrated, trade now, and you can see it is already available for trading on Cetus. So that's the first one to graduate. Again, this is just about an hour and a half since this launched, so it's brand new. Let's just take a look at another one randomly. Take a look at Splash Moon. So this one has already crashed. Again, any fair launch site you're using, whether it's Splash, Moonbags, Turbo's Fun, Pump Fun on Solana, right? These are the highest risk of highest risk, so be careful. But let's just take a look at the interface. So pretty clean looking. You can trade it right here. Take a look down here. We have trade history, token security. This is kind of nice. Liquidity status is in the bonding curve. Here's the bonding curve progress. Again, it has to hit 10,000 Sui in order to be migrated over to Cetus. And then here is the holder distribution. So by default, it's going to sort it by featured. You could change this to trading volume 24 hours. Let's take a look at this one. Sui. This one was created an hour and 25 minutes ago. Chart on this one actually looks decent. Here's the trade history. It's got some volume, but this one looks like it has some red flags, mainly due to just team holding a large percentage and top 10 holders at 60%, insider holders 15%. But this one is close to the bonding curve, 77%. So in the interest of just testing this platform out, let's go ahead and just buy just a tiny bit, 0.48 Sui worth, which gives us that much. We'll do that. We'll say place trade and approve. Transaction in progress. Buy successful. You can view the transaction. That'll open up SuiScan Explorer, one of the top explorers for the Sui blockchain, where you can verify the success of your swap. And you can see I now have that that much Sui token. So very simple, easy to do, clean looking interface. To see your holdings, click on your wallet address up here and then click on profile. Here you'll see tokens held. There's Sui that we bought earlier, and if we go to tokens created, if you have created any, they'll be here. So that's Splash, another new Sui ecosystem, fair launch token platform powered by the HIPPO token. And to me, this is just another example of the Sui token ecosystem continuing to mature. We recently saw the launch of NoodlesFi, a trading platform, analytics tool for Sui ecosystem tokens. Same thing with Nexa, data analytics tool and trading platform for Sui tokens. Combine that with all the dexes like Cetus, Turbos, dex aggregators like Aftermath Finance, 7K, Momentum. All of the infrastructure for a booming token ecosystem on Sui is in place. And I think it's only a matter of time until we see a major rotation in from other chains. We're already starting to see it happen now. So it's a great time to get familiar with all the tools like Noodles, like Nexa, now Splash, Moonbags, and see what you prefer as we head further into 2025. My theory is there will be a lot of opportunity within the Sui ecosystem. And so I think just staying up to date with new platforms like Splash can only help you be prepared to take advantage of those opportunities. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.